guys, after 3 years of ownership of the Shelby Daytona Factory 5, do I have any regrets? Daytona Factory 5, do I have any regrets? I'm very glad I got it because I got it secondhand. If I were to build it, it would have been probably $30,000, $40,000 more to build it. But I got it for a good price secondhand, and it was barely used, only had 2,000 miles on it. I got over 8,000 on it now, and the only reason I only have 8,000 is because I got the bike and I'm just addicted to the bike. But I still drive this quite a bit, 2,000 miles a year, a little bit more than that. And yeah, man, I like Coyote engine. I like the LS engine better. If it was any other car besides the Shelby, I would have gone with the LS engine, just because it's easier to work on, and it's like Legos, man. Any part from an LS fits on another LS, basically, and you only have to take the timing chain off to change a head gasket or something like that. Yeah, I really like the Coyote engine. I like the air conditioning, the heat. I put heated seats in here. I guess I'll pop the hood for you guys, but I really like the way the interior was done. I would have done it a little bit different, but I wouldn't have thought to put a backup camera in here, which is really nice. Got a real nice GPS speedometer. Those are my knobs for the seat heaters. The seats I've grown to love. It took a while, but yeah, the Kirky seats, I had to add a little bit of padding, otherwise I wouldn't have liked them at all. But yeah, I really like the subs, and stereo is really nice and everything. And independent suspension was a big thing. I wanted that, but I didn't want, if I were to build one, I don't know if I would have paid the extra to build it. I like the wide wheels and tires on it. I really like the big Willwood brakes, but I wouldn't have gone with, I would have gone one size down. These are 14 and a half. I would have gone with probably the 12 and a half inch Willwoods. But they're two-piece, so nice and lightweight for their size. And I like the paint. I wouldn't have thought to paint this color, but I'm glad I got this color, M5 satin Arctic frozen blue, Wimbledon white stripe. So yeah, after 3 years, I'm glad I have it. But you know, if I would have had the motorcycle first, I probably would have just enjoyed that. What's up?